Hi, I'm Caleb Barco, coming with the K9 News. Today we are discussing crunch time for seniors. Let's see what they got to say about it.
Right now, since it's crunch time for most seniors, my advice would be to make sure you got your financial aid and your CSS profile done for the college that you're going to, and just stay on top of your grades.
He's saying he's your best friend, and he's always the one in your ear. I know that he been waiting.
My major focus is really on my grad project, making sure that I get that done so I can graduate
Been a couple months now,
and making sure that senior life is the best of me, so I'm doing all my work so
I am making sure my grades are good enough. I'm making sure colleges are getting my transcripts, my SAT scores, so my decision can be made.
Let's just stop first, and then on to the timeline.
Trying to do better in class. We got a grad project, getting this grad project in, and just making sure that I finish strong.
And baby, all I'm saying is he sound like a hater. And baby, he could just fuck off and do us a favor. Mind your business.
Well, there you have it, Southeast. I'm Caleb Barco, signing out with the K9 News.